So this is what your Windows 11 desktop look like after end of this video. In this tutorial I'm going to show that how to get this League of Legends look on your Windows 11 desktop. I'll show you step by step how to install these skins and how to install this dock as well. So let's dive in. Today I got really exciting desktop setup for Windows 11. In this tutorial I'm going to show you that how to customize your Windows 11 desktop using only Rainmeter. And one more thing, this customization is not going to affect your system performance. First you have to download this software called Rainmeter and then you have to install it and then click on finish. And here is some default skin, just right click on it and then unload this default skins. And then go to this theme folder, and first we have to set this wallpaper. Right click on it and then click on set as desktop background, and then copy this to theme folder and then go to this document and go to Rainmeter and then go to skin directory and then paste it here. Okay, now we have to hide our desktop icons. Right click on desktop and then show desktop icons, and then open Rainmeter and then click on refresh all. Okay, now we have to load the skins. First we have to load this date skin and then click on load, and then click on dock. Now load this document skins and place it here. Okay, now load this download skin and place it here. And then place these skins here and load this Google search and place it here. Okay, now here is upload skin and place it here. And if you want to more minimalist look, you can hide your taskbar. Go to taskbar setting, taskbar behavior, and automatically hide taskbar. And that's it. This is how you can customize your Windows 11 desktop very easily. So I hope you like this video. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next customization video.